Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're doing a little bit of a different video. I've actually had a few people DM me recently and be like, how have you grown your hair so fast? It looks a lot healthier now, it looks a lot longer, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make a video about this because this secret method that I've been using on how to grow your hair, I think everybody needs to know and I wanna share with you. So that is the video today. I'm gonna share with you the method I've been using. I'm also gonna show you guys a couple tips and tricks along the way that have helped me with my hair growth and also just like the overall health of my hair as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So a lot of you guys probably already know, but I used to do a lot with my hair. I used to dye it a lot. I used to bleach it a lot, do a lot of like purple shampoo videos and stuff like that. And if you don't know, just take a trip back through my videos and you'll see I used to do a lot with my hair and it was definitely not the greatest thing to do, let's just say that. And after doing all that, especially after bleaching, I was really noticing the toll that that was having on my hair. My hair felt so dry and dead, it was breaking off, and even when I started, kind of taking care of it and, trimming up the ends and putting a little bit more product in it, I felt like my hair was still never really growing past like a certain point, you know what I mean? It still felt very dead. So I was like, you know what? I need to start taking my hair health a little bit more seriously, just start doing stuff that's actually going to be better for my hair in the long run and actually make it look healthy for once. So I was scrolling on TikTok one night and I found this video of a girl explaining what she started to do, and her hair started growing so fast and just becoming so much more healthy. And basically what she was doing was called the 3 shampoo method. And at first I was like, 3 shampoos? Like, what? But I decided, you know what? I'm gonna give it a go. I tried it out, and just after doing it once, my hair felt probably the nicest that it's ever felt in my entire life. It felt so clean, it felt so nice and soft and healthy. And I would say probably two to 3 weeks into doing that 3 shampoo method, I noticed my hair was starting to grow quite a bit. So basically, if you guys are confused and you're like, what in the world is the 3 shampoo method? It's essentially exactly what it sounds like. So instead of doing 1 shampoo in the shower, you're gonna do 3. And I know it may sound insane and just like way too much work, but I'm telling you guys right now, it really does work. This is honestly the best decision I've ever made for my hair to start doing, and I'm so glad that I did. So basically what I do is I'll hop in the shower, I'll shampoo first, and then I'll just kind of do like any shaving, body wash, just any other stuff that I need to do in the shower. Then I'll do my 2nd shampoo, then I'll do my 3rd, and then I'll end off with my conditioner. But I'll only put the conditioner probably from here down. I don't like to put any on the top of my hair whatsoever, just because I don't want that like greasy, like oily feeling. I want my scalp to be very clean. And the thing is too, you guys, when I first started doing this, I have kind of like drier, coarse hair naturally anyways, and I thought to myself, maybe 3 shampoos is going to be a little bit too much and it might dry my hair out. But no, it really has not. It honestly has done the total opposite. Like I said, my hair has never felt softer. So if you're like me and you do have, naturally kind of coarse hair and you're worried it might dry your hair out, just give it a go, try it out, and I'm telling you right now, it's amazing. When I started bleaching my hair, I lost so much of the thickness of my hair. It was so thin, and I naturally have very thick hair, so that was really weird for me. But since I've been doing the 3 shampoos, my hair has gotten all of its thickness back. It just feels so nice. So when you do the first shampoo, you're just gonna put it in and shampoo like normal. You're not going to find much lather, and that's because the first shampoo doesn't really clean your scalp like it's supposed to. On the 2nd shampoo, you're going to get a lot more lather. It's going to feel a lot more clean, and then the 3rd is going to be insane lather, and you're just gonna feel so squeaky clean and your scalp is gonna feel so refreshed. A few people close to me, like my family and friends, have asked me, what are you doing to grow your hair so fast? And I told them about the 3 shampoo. They started doing it and they could not get over the results they were having. It's funny because I was noticing, a difference in my hair. I was noticing it was longer and, healthier and thicker, but it's so much more different when somebody actually close to you notices it and says something, and then you're like, oh yeah, this is actually working. I also am gonna go ahead and pop up a few pictures of just, before and after, just how much my hair has grown and, gotten so much more healthier. Just in this short few months that I've been doing this, you can really tell a difference. I've noticed it too, just even looking back on the thumbnails of my older videos, just from like a few months ago, I'm like, my gosh, my hair was so much more shorter. I also want to show you guys a couple products that I've been using that I really enjoy and I think have helped as well. So these are the shampoo and conditioners that I use. I use the Live Clean brand. I like to use something kind of a little bit more on the natural side, something that just has a little bit more cleaner ingredients, you know what I mean? And that's exactly what this brand is. They're very clean, they're very natural, so definitely highly recommend the Live Clean brand if you're looking for a good shampoo and conditioner. These are great. Another product that I love to use on my hair is this right here. This is by the brand Finola. This is their Reconstructing Fluid Crystal Serum. I pretty much only use this on like this section of my hair, it's just the very bottoms. I don't like to put a lot of like oils or serums like high up on my hair just because it's gonna get, you know, greasy and oily, and I don't like that. But I gotta say, I love this product. I've used quite a bit of it. I pretty much just put this in right after I'm out of the shower and I've brushed with my hair. I'll just put it right on the ends. Essentially, it's a really nice serum, especially if you do have frizzier hair or split ends. It does a great job at kind of just making it look a little bit more shiny and healthy, and it also smells amazing, you guys. When I put this in, the next day I can still smell it and I'm like, I love you. It honestly kind of smells like candy. It just smells so good. Then another product that I use, I don't use this every single time I get in the shower, but this is the Christoph Robin scrub, and it's basically just a little like scalp scrub. So like I said, I don't use this every single time, but sometimes if I've had like a week where I've had, you know, put a lot of dry shampoo in my hair or styled it, and I just want a little extra clean, I'll use this bad boy right here, and I'll actually go ahead and use it with my little like scalp scrubber. I don't have that on me right now, but I'll go ahead and like pop up a picture right here. But what I'll do is I'll shampoo first, get that first shampoo out of the way, then I'll go in with this and my scalp massager and just kind of scrub everywhere on my scalp, rinse that out, and then, you know, go with the other shampoos. But this is a great product if you find that you get a lot of like buildup on your scalp. I really highly recommend getting a scalp scrub. It works amazing. And again, smells so good. I also highly recommend, if you are somebody that uses a lot of heat on your hair like myself, to get a heat protectant spray. For years I went without using one. I just was like, I don't see the purpose, and you know, is it gonna do anything? And I just recently got one and I started using it every time I put heat on my hair, and I gotta say, I really do notice a difference. My hair doesn't end up looking as dry when I put heat on it. Sometimes when I straighten my hair and just leave it straight, it kind of ends up looking a little bit dry, especially at the ends. But with using the heat protectant spray, I don't get that as much. And also the one I have, it's by the brand Hask. Again, I don't have it on me right now, but it's a really great heat protectant spray. It also smells amazing. It's kind of like a heat protectant spray and a hair perfume in one, and I love it. Another little tip, something I've been doing lately, is actually cutting my hair about every 3-4 months. And what I mean by cutting my hair is I just take the tiniest little bit at the end and trim it off. I feel like no matter how healthy your hair is, the ends are always going to look a little bit weathered. So I feel like every few months I just like to take it, trim it off, get those split ends out of the way. And I feel like that's also something that's helped with the growth of my hair as well. I don't know if it actually has, but in my mind it has. And also I think another huge thing that has helped with the health of my hair in general is not really doing anything with it, including dye or bleach or anything like that. I've just been leaving it my natural color, and trust me, it's very difficult because I'm somebody, I like to change my hair, I like to have fun with my hair. But I gotta say, I've just been really enjoying having healthy hair, so that's why I haven't done anything with it, you know, dye-wise lately. But overall, the most top secret, biggest tip that has helped me with growing my hair so fast and long is the 3 shampoo method. I am telling you guys right now, please try that method, especially if you're somebody that you find your hair doesn't really grow fast, it's kind of stuck at one length, it's just not very healthy. Give that a try, give it a go, and I promise you, you will love it and you'll find such a big difference. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I've been doing in regards to my hair. There it is. I've spilled the big top secret tip on how to grow your hair. And yeah, if you guys give it a go and try it out, definitely let me know. I'm very curious to see how you like it. I think you're definitely going to absolutely love it. Also, you guys, I am thinking about cutting like a very slate bang. Not even really a bang, to be honest, just like a shorter layer in my hair, just because right now the shortest layer is like to here. I don't have a bang whatsoever anymore. I was thinking maybe I'd cut something like right here just to have a little bit more dimension in my hair, and I feel like I kind of like having somewhat of a shorter bang, especially when I put my hair up, you know what I mean? But let me know, do you guys think I should do that? Should I not? Let me know. But anyways, guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and like I said, if you do try it out, definitely let me know. If you enjoyed the video or it helped in any kind of way, definitely go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe because I would really appreciate that. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.